People, how na dey? Welcome to today Ogbonge News. My name still remain AU David, the Arabian one of the universe. Today, we get some news wey we wan discuss. Today, we dey talk about wetin e happen within the National Assembly. Before we go into the detail well, in case you never subscribe, na the time wey be say you go dey subscribe and like and share our videos. Na the time be this one. My brother, my sister, the matter wey dey happen for Abodo country, na we dey talk. So we must talk about electoral bill when the National House of Assembly don dey discuss ever since say they wan pass a toll law. Na the matter na it dey so. They don finally come to the end of the matter. Yesterday when e be say na it be on the 15th of July 2021, na the Senate do their own for inside say the matter they don talk am say the bill wey dey be say dem dey talk since electoral bill say the matter e don set. Now they got so many things dey inside the bill when they actually talk. When they talk say when person when be say e thief ballot box, they go sentence am go 20 years imprisonment. The person when e be say e do mago take change result, e go go 15 years. The people when e be say they sell their card, go 10 years. So people when be say the so many matter when e dey inside, when e be say dem go people go fit go jail for. Now the issue when e dey on ground na be the electronic transmission of result. Say make dem dey send the result as e dey happen for polling unit, dey go give them for INEC office. Now the INEC kukuma say dem go fit dey do am, but the National Assembly dey come out yesterday. Na the Senate say talk am say they no gree for that matter. Say network no go let them dey do am. Say the matter e go get IB. So they come pass am say that one e no dey. Say they no fit, but they fit use electronic take vote. You vote with electronic voting, but you know we use electronic. So we'll do electronic voting. We know we use use electronic take send am go give INEC. So we'll use hand carry am go give INEC the be. But we go dey ask them say how una come dey talk am say we fit use the same electronic take vote, but we no fit use am send the result. Say mago e don dey. Many people come dey talk am say these people wan rig election, they wan rig 2023. Now the process of rigging 2023 na they don start so. So that say yesterday House of Rep no fit pass am because of the katakata when dey House of Rep. E come be like say they wan even dey fight, but they come postpone am come today when e be say on the 16th say na they wan come do their own. Now they come invite some people when e be say they go fit come talk about the matter. They come invite the NIC. They come invite them come say make dem come talk am say whether true the network wey dey Nigeria dey good. Now this one na be the real matter when e dey inside, because even for House of Assembly today, many things happen for House of Rep. So now we want to make we talk about am, because the question when they ask this man, when he answer, he confuse us, because that question then take sit down, take talk, say now this kind of thing na wan happen for this one. Before we tell them wetin their resolution can be, make we kukuma just check wetin the kind of answer when this man give to some question when we no understand. Make we check the questions asked, because they first ask the man. They ask the man say, is it possible when you be say where they for do the election, the part when it be say network no dey, is it possible when be say they go save this thing as the man dey waka dey comot the place, network enter inside the anything, the phone or whatever they use they want to send the result? Is it possible say that thing when they first snap or do or the record or the type, the sender go give INEC immediately the result, the network enter their phone or any machine where they use. So we will listen to the kind of answer when you give to that question.
Area to upload. Yes, this is possible. It's possible that an area that is not covered, you could record it and then physically move to some other location, but you can't guarantee this kind of movement. It doesn't compare with direct transmission.
Now, when you don't answer that, the question when you be say the answer, and I be the question when you be say the answer, say, oh, when all this one, Nigeria satellite is still they work because they know say the Nigeria get satellite that time because they launched satellite 1, satellite 2, even 3. Now they come ask say this satellite they still they work. The man of Kukuma answer that question because we don't hear and say satellite Nigeria satellite they work. There is no satellite that is covering Nigeria as we dey talk now. So the man, because of this matter, Kukuma answer that question because no satellite for Nigeria will be say true they cover Nigeria. Now, that one don't finish now. Let they come put another question before the man. Make you see.
Let me be clear. You conducted an analysis of coverage nationwide in 2018.
Yes, sir.
And from your analysis, we had about 119,000 polling units.
Yes, sir.
And out of the 119, you said 49 point something. Let's just round it up to 50%.
Okay.
Had coverage, and 50% did not have coverage. Is that your testimony?
50% had 3G coverage and 2G together. About 49 point something percent had only 2G, and about 8,000 polling units had none at all.
So because of all this answer when the fee give, they come ask us, okay, my oga, how the people when they be say the day village, our mama, our brothers, our sister, when they be say the day village, they know they use the network, they call their people when they city or the day Bodoibo or they feed talk to people anywhere from the network. Which network they use? The same network one of those ones they use. This network they don't officially send message go give a INEC make e be say the thing e go dey okay, and they come still ask am say oga about hacking. When they ask am now, the man no kukuma in fact the man no know wetin dey talk. Instead make him answer the question wey direct, e dey use wetin call am American election of 2016 take dey compare election when e be say na even talk am for man say the all this thing when they talk about 2018, now they do this research. So when they talk about 2021, now they talk about 2018. Since 2018 till now, we are not do evaluation about the network when it say it did the country when you oga be say una dey in charge, una don't know how the matter they go. Why be say Nigeria they put incompetent people in power? Say people when they don't know what they do, now that they take over, now that they sit down for that place.
Also had 2G, but they had only 2G, no 3G coverage at all.
Okay. Now I can hear somebody saying, what about 4G?
4G is usually where you have 3G only. Yeah.
Listen to what this man talk when I ask him how long it will take to fix this problem in case if there is any problem when it be say they try to talk, say true, say the problem is there. How long it will take now? We will take fix the problem. Listen to what he tell us say the time when we will take fix the problem.
Last question I have here is if we have a problem in any part of the country, how long does it take to fix it? I think this will depend on the problem, obviously. There are all sorts of issues that can arise.
When I hear these people, so what did they try to tell us now? Say Nigeria no get 4G network. Nigeria no get 4G network, and they talk of a one launch 5G. So no 4G network in Nigeria. So these people they tell us say Nigeria no, now half of Nigeria na network coverage day. Say now half of Nigeria na network coverage day. So half get and half no get. I don't understand the kind of why these people they do all these things. They just want to ring the election or what did they happen? Why this government just be on they on making things worse for Nigeria? Why? Why? And they ask the question, why? Then after all this one, the katakata will go see boss for House of Assembly. Now we see say because the south region, the PDP side, and most of the people, yes, most especially the PDP caucus, they come disagree, say this matter, they not agree for waiting it happen. So now this kind of fight take come out for House of Assembly. When you watch the fight, after you watch the fight, we will come conclude them.
Point of order. You got somebody madman? Point of order.
Shebu now see the fight where they fight for House of Assembly because of this issue. So at the end of the day, the minority leader can lead the PDP members come up for House of Assembly, House of Rep. So all of the waka come up for House of Rep, now the kukuma and not the law. Talk and say they not fit put that one for inside law, say they use electronic transmission of a result. Say no, they not fit put and say INEC fit decide wetin they go do, but for now they not fit put and say make dem use am, but make dem do electronic voting. Now the matter be say it dey pending, although they enact the law, they put and they don't talk and say it don't turn to law, say all the bees dey, but they say that one they not fit. Even the PDP caucus now, as they see they all those one they protest, say the matter wey happen for House of Assembly, they had no day, they no support am. So my people, now the matter what we see for House of Assembly for today, now it be this one. I say make I come still tell now how we wakara. And so we see and reach my brother and my sister. In case you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, now the time to do that one be that. Follow our all our social media handle. All of them is AU David. Our Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Facebook page, and YouTube, or even our website is AU David TV. All of them. So anyone who just type AU David TV, then follow us, subscribe, and like our videos. God bless you. Make we go to the other side.